Hey guys, it is Discount Dalton.
Princess Agua here.
And we are about to go.
Yard selling.
And we're going to make a ton of
Money.
And we're going to buy some
toys.
Yeah. Come along with us on this adventure. This is Deep South Resale.
I'll start on one side and work my way over. Yes, man. Okay. Oh, that stinks. Especially when it's broken. Excuse me. Baby. Yeah, that's cool, huh? Yeah, beautiful. Oh, that's a cool squishy, huh? Yeah, that's what you want, Mama. There's some cups.
See some stuff I like. $50 in the way. Out of my league.
And you can take it out if you want, and like take it up there and plug it in if you want to check it. I'm sorry.
Chicken, rooster, whatever.
Oh, the bookends, $2.
And there wasn't a price on the routers.
Oh, that's yeah. And I know I bought the and
they sell it.
and I know $20 is cheap.
For both of them?
No.
Or just a piece?
Just a piece.
Okay. Cool deal.
You got Garth there?
Yes, ma'am. I got Garth.
Okay.
I had to steal Garth.
Okay. No, ma'am.
Let's see.
Apple cider heavy. Yeah. This friend of mine, Eon's one, she's got to give me a chicken mashed cookie just with her. And the cat bothered me. I took it up to the deep store.
Not $1.20. Especially not a piece. What, baby? Yeah, look at them. See which ones you see if you want any of them. There's a bunch of toys over this. 25. Holy hell. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so we just left that expensive yard sale. That was a multi-family yard sale, and there was, I think, 2 or 3 different families. One family was willing to deal. The rest of them, the price was the price.
And if you know of anybody that needs tires and rims, hey Mom, of his S350, I think, what he has.
I guess I better start making me a little pile then.
Okay. Now, let me tell you, my daughter just went inside. Oh, here she comes. She did tell me that I think her stuff was $1.
Okay.
$1 each. Just, right, Leah? Okay. Sorry. She's making her ready for her new bedroom decoration.
Well, I got one in there right now that's gonna flip out if when she sees American Girl.
That's right.
Anything American Girl. Goodness gracious.
I understand. Huh? That looks yummy. You did a good job cutting it up. You gonna try to eat it with a spoon? Good luck. Those are factory out of a. I think it has on the front of the box. It's not this brand. These are. I don't think it's.
That's
this,
what they put in.
Yeah.
2010 F-150?
F-150.
Okay. I might snag them up too. Done. Ah! You trying to kill me, man? Today was a great day. So, instead of going through everything like I normally do, I'm going to go through the highlights of what I think were great buys for the day. And, but you see, I think this will help my videos speed up a lot faster and not be 15 minutes long. Try to keep it like 7 or 8, keep you from getting bored. Let's get started. All right, first things first. One of the last sales I went to, yard sales I went to, had a lot of clothes. Pretty much all it was just nothing but clothes. So I got these buckle pants. All 4 of them are almost damn near brand new. Buckle, more buckle, and buckle. Nice jeans, nice little dude jeans. I think these go for like $50 a piece, brand new. I think I could probably get $20 a piece for them online. I'm not sure though. So I don't really deal with it. If you guys know anything about them, let me know. But I'm pretty sure I'll have it looked up within the hour anyway. So yeah, thought this was a good buy. I think I did a really good job with the lady. We worked out a sweet deal with some other clothes and some other trinkets and stuff. All right, so next, the very first yard sale, there was a multifamily. One of the sisters was willing to deal. The other sister wouldn't budge on any of her prices. The first sister sold me these, 50 cents a piece. I don't know what they're worth. I think they're worth a few bucks, you know, maybe $3 or $5 a piece. But for right now, until they sell, I'm gonna throw them up on the mantle, you know, and look awesome. This right here, the second sister at that first sale who didn't want to barter for nothing, this right here was sweet. I said barter, didn't I? She didn't want to haggle at all. This right here is an old vintage aerator for like bait, like a bait aerator. You know, it's a little live weld picture, you know, your mud minnows or whatever. I've never seen one of these. It does not have like some type of brand or anything. So I'm going to have to look it up, but man, it is cool. For $4, I had to get that. Living in South Georgia, you would have thought I'd have seen something like that, but I hadn't. All right, 2 more things I want to show y'all. These right here are, to me, my best buys of the week so far. This is a drill doctor. This is a drill bit sharpener. And it's funny because I literally just got done watching another YouTube channel. And they were talking about buying these and how much they're worth. This right here, the lady was stuck on 20, would not budge at all. So I bought it for 20 because I know used, they're getting about 50 to 60. And new, they get about 60 to 70. So I knew no matter what, I was gonna get some good money. But what made it better is when I opened it up, this thing has never been used at all. And it still has all the original paperwork. I mean, this thing is brand new. Brand stinking new. So I was really excited for this. This is a really great find. 20 bucks, it's an easy extra 20, 30, 40 bucks. So got it, boom. Lastly, so me and Tatum are doing the $1, I call her Tatum, but her real name is Princess Haggle on this channel. But me and Princess Haggle, we started the $1 domino that the guys over at Thrift Mind came up with. I don't know if they came up with it, but that's where I saw it at, and I thought it was a great idea. So this right here is a Garmin GPS 4812 channel. I don't know the year on this. I might have to do some research on it. But I did look up this particular thing, and it goes for anywhere from 20 all the way up to 140. 140, of course, being brand new. 100, around 175 and stuff had all the chargers and everything. This is just this and the bag. There's no charger for it or nothing. I don't know if it takes batteries or anything like that. But yeah, I thought this was an excellent find. For $1, I think we'll be able to make, 30 bucks, maybe more. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna be able to make something off of it. So I'm really excited about this. When we'll be able to make some money, get the money back, and reinvest it back in here to try to make $500 in 6 weeks. That's our goal, $500 6 weeks. But anyway, that is the gist of what I got. That's some of the best buys that I got for today. We still have tomorrow. That's gonna be another video though. So I got some nice clothes for my son. I got some nice clothes to sell. I got some Garth Brooks, some cleats that are new. So I got some nice Nikes and everything that I showed you. So it was a great day. Happy hunting, guys. If you like the channel, make sure that you like and subscribe and tell your friends. This is Discount Dalton. Thank you for watching Deep South Resale.